Hi, welcome again to Conversation Analysis Discussion Series by Rati Oktarini. In this video, I'm going to talk about retrosequence in conversation analysis. But first, let me start with a quote taken from Schegloff 2007, page 219, where he talked about retrosequences. Some sequences are anchored by their temporally first component. The proactive sequences, like adjacency pairs. Other sequences are anchored by a subsequent component, and it is only by their subsequent component that some prior is rendered a first. Retrosequences. In other words, a retrosequence is a sequence activated by its second component. Let's look at two dummy examples. One is an adjacency pair-based sequence, and the other is a retrosequence. Okay, let's start with the adjacency pair-based sequence. At the beginning of a phone call, the first speaker can say hello. When someone says hello at the beginning of a phone call, the second hello is expected. Together, the first and the second hello makes an adjacency pair or adjacency pair-based sequence. Here we see the first hello activates the sequence, or the sequence is activated from the first component or part. Now let's move on to the retrosequence. Here the first speaker says, "Did you have fun with the girls last night?" This turn from the first speaker is a question. As a first component or part of a sequence, it projects or invites an answer. Now let's unfold the response from the second speaker. The response is, "Fun with the girls, you say?" We can understand that as a result of the production of the response, or "fun with the girls, you say," the first turn initiates a different sequence. The start of the sequence is the first turn, but the actual type of the sequence is initiated from the second position. Let me quickly repeat. The first component may initiate a project or a sequence that is different from the one that it actually initiates after the production of the second component. So, what is a retrosequence? In short, it is a sequence activated by its second component or from its second component. Alright, that's all for today, and see you again in my next video on Conversation Analysis Discussion Series by me, Rati Oktarini.